I'm gonna try to chug this. I should not do this. I have a terrible, terrible bad acid reflux. It's really spicy. I can't do it. I really don't feel good. I'm pregnant. I feel pregnant. Tank tops. Twitter. Hey guys, so last night I posted a video of me slamming a can of pop and then belching. And I'm just gonna do it again, I guess. We're about to hit 7 million followers and I'm so excited. So I'm just like kind of doing whatever for clout right now. And being I got that cleared out of the air. My Instagram is hope.schwing, by the way. Okay, I'm gonna move out of this beautiful lighting so I can slam this can of pop. I know, I'm sorry. We got Diet Sunkiss. It's so cold. It's so cold. My eyes look really good though, I'm not gonna lie. So I thought it was recording and I finished a can of pop and it's gone. So I can start to drink another one. Ginger ale lemonade, here we go. Can't believe I'm doing this right now. Reload! Why is that so cold? Something doesn't feel right.
Hello, I'm with Hope. We're going to drink some Mentos and eat some Coke.
There's 4.
I'm not ready.
There's so much chewing.
I need to sit though, because I don't know what's going to happen inside me. No.
My jaw hurts. Okay.
Oh, I'm sweating now.
I feel like it's coming out my ears. Oh my gosh, I keep on my nose. I keep on my nose. Shake it up, shake it up.
Oh, I'm gonna puke.
Alright. Whoa. We're gonna get evicted for burping too much.
I know nobody asked for this, but it's gonna happen. Let's see. I'm crying. I have a burp, I feel it, but I'm not gonna let her out. Oh my god. I don't feel good. It gets better. Oh, I feel it building up. What the fuck? Where are you? If I jump up and down, shake her up a little bit. Oh! Oh! Another one. Oh god. Girls don't burp. Girls don't fart. Girls don't poop. I disagree. I just showed you, bud. Oh, you don't think it's attractive? Find somebody who cares. Hijo. Ana.
¡Boluda! No.
Haven't done this in a while. I haven't done it with 7-Up before, so we're gonna chug it and see how loud I can burp. Acid reflux gang, cheers me up. I dumped it in a cup because it's easier to chug for me that way. Here we go. Feels like freaking battery acid. It's gone, it's gone, it's gone. Just like my will to live. I feel it. Wow. Oh my gosh. That was so violent.
Bye.
Sometimes I don't wanna be happy.
Ryan Gosling won't eat a cereal. Hail Satan.
You wanna hear what it sounds like when I suck in the air, but from like the point of view of my stomach?
Hey guys, it's your favorite burping biatch! And it's been a while since I've done a chug on my account. So, here we are. I don't know what that was. And here I am just pouring some pop. Not soda, it's pop. I'm from Minnesota. Cheers! I'm from Minnesota, and I'm having an aneurysm. I can't do voiceovers, oh my gosh. But here I am, I'm chugging. It's a solid 3 out of 10 chug. Pretty freaking slow if you ask me. But, like, A for effort, okay? Ah, we're done. And that hurt. And I'm pretty sure everybody in my apartment complex heard this. Oh, excuse me. Oh, it burns. Oh. We're going to chug his Sundrop pop. This is gonna be spicy.
Why is it spicy? Why is it spicy?
Oh. It hurts.
Yo, open that gullet. My tummy kind of full. Throw up. Little baddie. She my little thing. She's Did you throw up? She's throwing up.
It's still fizzy.
You okay? You okay? I can't get puke. I can't.
Alright, Tara, you're gonna have to rate this. Ready?
What?